We're here in Collegetown Center on the 5th floor landing across from the elevator. I wanted to start in the hallway for this video so you could see the distance from the elevator to the apartment. So there's the elevator on our right. We will walk by one of the 2 stairwells on each floor. That's our next door on the right. And then we're going to apartment 529. So this is a south angle studio. Let's go on in. So in the odd number studios, the kitchens will be on the right-hand side as we go in. So you can see we've got the refrigerator, some cabinets and drawers. There's the sink with the dishwasher underneath, microwave, and there's a stove and oven. Again, on these odd number apartments, the bathroom will typically be on the left over here, across from the kitchen. Let's take a look in there as we go by. Bathrooms will always be that full-size tub shower, the vanity that does open underneath for more storage. There's the toilet and the medicine cabinet and a couple of towel racks as well. As we go into the main part of the apartment, we will pass by the closet. I'll open that briefly so you can see in there. So just a regular closet with some good storage space in there for your items. And let's go on into this apartment. I think they have this set up nicely in here. We've got a lot of open space. So this is an angle style apartment, and the furnishings will be the same in all of the units. You'll have that tall bookshelf. There's that full-size bed. This one has the dresser placed over here on the wall. And we definitely have a lot of floor space with the way they have this unit arranged. There's a desk and chair over here, and the dining table and chair is over on this side. We'll take a look out the window. So we're facing south. This angle window arrangement does give an extra amount of light, so it's nice and bright in the apartment. You can see the air conditioning unit underneath the window. Over to our left is the heating unit, and as we've discussed before, you want to make sure that you're not blocking that so your heat can circulate freely within the apartment. So here's a look to the south. We're on the 5th floor, so we're pretty high up. So we've got some nice valley views around. It's really pretty. Over to the left, that's facing east, so that would be nice and bright in the morning especially, and that is College Avenue up there. Of course, from the intersection of Dryden Road and College Ave, we're just 1 block from campus. We're located here at Collegetown Center at 151 Dryden Road. We're on floor 5 of this 6th floor elevator building, located just 1 block from campus. And this is an angle style studio apartment in Collegetown Center.